How to deposit money on PayPal with bank account. The first things first is access and log into your PayPal account. Now, the very first thing that we will need to do is to link or to add a bank account on your PayPal. To do so, just go to the top left corner or left portion of your screen and just simply tap on the three lines. Now on this page, if you will tap add banks and cards, it's going to be created as a black screen right now because this is actually a secure area. So the one that you will be seeing is going to be bank name, bank code, and account number. All I have to do is to enter in those informations and fill out those fields for you to be able to successfully deposit money on PayPal with the bank account that you have set it up or that you just added using your PayPal account. So that's it. That's how you deposit money on PayPal with bank account.